Although this wells table tab is probably one of the least visually exciting tabs in this Power BI report, it's arguably one of the most valuable. Having the hard work done already in the data set, it allows us to create this table using the table visual, and then we populate that table with data. And over on the right here, we can see all of the information that I've added. So this is the columns going from the left to the right. And that gives us a very good picture. The important point with this is that you could look at it like this, but you can just as easily export that data to a CSV. So having had that hard work done to turn 4 million rows of production data into a usable data set, you can now extract portions of that to do your own analyses in any other software that would accept a CSV. And you could certainly use it within this Power BI report, make a CSV if you like, and then use it in another Power BI report. Otherwise, you'd be trying to deal with 20 large spreadsheets for the 20 years in a format that's totally unsuited to business intelligence visualization. What this report does is collate that, pivot, and organize that data so that it suits business intelligence, it suits time intelligence, and it allows you to do an infinite amount of filtering. So you could export this now and identify, for example, business opportunities. You could identify changes that are interesting in some metric that's of concern to you. I've noticed, for example, we have a lot of wells in Lea County that have not produced for more than 10 or 15 years, but are still listed as active. So they are potentially an abandonment liability. You could also add any number of metrics to that report. We could remove ones here, we could add others, and I've certainly got a lot of columns that could be added here, and you could do any number of filtered variations and combinations to produce a table that's exactly what you want, and then either use it within this report or send it straight out to another CSV.